Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Netflix on your PC. If you're also trying to download Netflix on your PCs, then make sure you watch this video because I'm exactly going to show you the process of it. If you're using Windows, you can easily find the Netflix application on the Microsoft Store. So just click on the search bar down below and search for Microsoft Store. The result of Microsoft Store will open up on the top. You can click on this option and the Microsoft Store will open. From the Microsoft Store, just click on the search bar on the top and search for Netflix. Once you do, the app of Netflix will open up. You can click on it and click on Get. Once you click on it, the app will start to download on your PC. Once the download is complete, just click on Open. There you go. That's how exactly you can download Netflix on your PC. Now you can just click on the sign in button on the top right and then sign in to your Netflix account. So that was the video. I hope you guys found this helpful. If you did, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions related to it, make sure that you comment down below and I'll see you in the next one.